Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and app settings. Do it now. First, plug in the mic, flip any physical mute off, and choose the input in your OS. Once done, close Discord or Teams that can take exclusive control. Make sure Fivem and GTAV aren't running outdated builds. Updates change voice protocols. Then open Fivem audio settings, enable voice chat, and explicitly select your microphone and speaker device so the game routes audio where you expect. Now focus on the core configuration that usually breaks things. In Fivem controls, set your push-to-talk key or voice activation threshold, and pick proximity versus radio modes to match server rules. Next, grant microphone permission in your operating system and turn off exclusive mode in sound device properties so multiple apps can use audio. If the server uses MumbleVoIP, check the resource is running and confirm server IP and port match your server. CFG, finish by verifying audio in a live context. Join a server or use the in-game mic test and watch the voice indicator. If you still get no audio, restart Fivem and then reboot your PC to clear driver locks. Reopen only essential apps. As a single high-impact troubleshoot tip, swap to a different microphone or run the OS sound recorder. If the alternative works, the issue is hardware or drivers. If not, recheck permissions and exclusive mode settings. This isolates cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.